Let's learn about understanding greater than and less than. Interpret the inequality -5 is less than 0. Describe and draw their positions on a number line. Okay, we want to interpret the inequality -5 is less than 0. Let's see that on a number line. Let's get a visual of this. So the number line, we'll put 0 right here. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. So if we want to select our positions on the number line right here, 0 is right here, and -5 is right here. So if we want to interpret this, -5 is less than 0. It's more to the left on the number line than 0 is, so it's less than 0. I hope you learned something here about understanding greater than and less than. And as always, thanks for watching.